I'm Blaze and this is my van Hurley, and we've been traveling Australia full time for the last 3 years, living the dream. We've teamed up with Supercheap Auto to create a series dedicated to getting you out here on the road and making your setup super. So, if you're into all things camping, van life, outdoors, this is a series for you. We'll be running through all the DIY upgrades that you can do to save yourself time, money and stress when hitting the road, whether it's for a short trip or 3 years down the track. So buckle in, I might introduce myself, give a bit of context, and we'll run through everything together. Let's go. Welcome to my driver's seat, aka my office, my thinking space, my safe space. I spend 99% of my life here. So here is a formal introduction. Hi, I'm Blaze, I'm 25 years old and I grew up in Sydney, Australia. And as I said, I've been living in this van for over 3 years now. So yeah, I grew up in the big smoke. But that being said, every single year growing up, we'd jump into the back of Dad's Prado as a family and hit some corner of Australia, whether it was the Red Centre, far north Queensland. And I would say that's a huge part of why I am a van girl today. I think it's safe to say there is nothing better than a road trip, except when your vehicle is not ready to go. This girl is a 2010 Toyota Hiace and she has done 538,000 kilometres petrol. So if we can do it, you can do it. So yeah, we've covered a bit of distance, Hurley and I. Here's a map of the lap of over 100,000 kilometres. And yes, that does mean I bought this vehicle with over 428,000 kilometres on her odometer. Try saying that 8 times, what a tongue twister. But that being said, with ongoing maintenance and the DIY upgrades that we'll run through together, your biggest concern will be, where to next? No, but realistically, whether we're living on the road or just getting away for the weekend, what are some of the simple things that we can do to make sure that we and our vehicles are good to go? Throughout the coming episodes, we will run through interior upgrades, like storage and technology that makes life on the road and traveling that little bit easier, safer, more convenient. Technology has kind of evolved since 2010 when this vehicle was made. We'll also head into Supercheap Auto where we'll get a battery tested, do some fitments, oil levels, all of that, and some of the exterior things that we can do to keep our vehicles happy and healthy. Primarily treating rust. And this girl's got a bit of it. Oh, and at the end of the series, we'll hit the road and I might give you some of my secret spots along the way. So keep your eyes peeled for the next episode. We'll run through the specific upgrades that we're giving to the van after 100,000 kilometres of travelling Australia. And we'll continue the series dedicated to getting you out here on the road, living the dream and making your setup super. I'll see you out there.